A nice bit of lemon. Nice bit of yogurt. Yogurt and that. Cream. This is on the bottom, so let's not worry too much about that. So we've got some nice pieces of meringue. So this is a bit of lemon meringue. So I just baked up a little bit of, but just with some grated lemon over the top. More curd, a couple of roasted strawberries. Just a little bit of curd. Nice bit of cream over the top. We'll do a nice cream quenelle. Do a nice cream quenelle over the top. Over the top. Yeah, I quite like it that way, to be honest with you. So in today's video, I'm going to be doing a fresh lemon curd with some lemons that we've got from Taranaki. So my girlfriend's family, they live in Taranaki, up on the west coast region of New Zealand's North Island. So we've got some beautiful lemons there. My lemon tree, because we're in Wellington and we're also in a windy area of Wellington, my lemons are about yay small and they're totally green. So no good to use. The lemons from Taranaki are really, really nice. They've got a really nice sour, sweet flavours, and they're going to be perfect for the curd. So let's get cooking. So we've got lemons, butter, eggs, sugar, and a little bit of salt. Mark's got fancy, so he's used a bit of a Murray River salt. It's a pink salt. Very nice too. Okay, right, so first thing we're going to do, we're going to cut the lemons in half after getting the zest. So we're going to take a little bit of zest from the lemons. There's the juice. So let's just go old school with the old school squeezer. Okay, so for the quantity we needed, it's the juice of 6 lemons. Now we're needing 160 mils of lemon juice. The recipe will be in the description. It's a very simple recipe. For the lemon curd, you're going to need the lemon zest from half the lemons. So 3 lemons zest, 6 lemons in the recipe, or 160 mils. And then you just want to beat those eggs up with a fork. Now, as I'm using one of my new pans, and it's non-stick, I'm going to use a nice rubber whisk, because I don't want to scratch the bottom of the new tin. So first of all, we'll go in there with half the lemon zest. We'll add half the lemon zest at the beginning, and we're going to add half the lemon zest at the end, and it will give it a nice bit of a zangy finish. Zangy and zingy. We're then going to go in there with the lemon juice, and then we're going to go in there with some sugar, and next we're going to go in there with some eggs. So what we're going to do, first of all, the sugar's going to melt. Then afterwards, the eggs are going to cook. And what we want to do is, as the eggs or the custard starts cooking, we just want to lower the gas down now. So we just don't want to turn this into scrambled eggs. So now, if you don't stir this all the time through the cooking process, the egg's going to cook on the bottom and separate. You'll see white pieces of egg through the curd. So you don't want that. And this is why we're not using my lemons. Look how small they are. This is what happens when you try and grow in windy Wellington. You'll be right, mate. Some nice blossom though. I roast meat sometimes with different curds. So you can do a lemon curd, or you can even do like a banana curd. A banana curd on poultry is really nice. Just rub it on some chicken or some turkey. I roasted a stuffed turkey one time with some banana curd, and it was absolutely delicious. That foam's nearly gone, and custard is nearly ready. A nice low heat, 1 to 2 minutes, and then we'll be ready. 1 to 2 minutes. So that's about a minute, and you can see it starting to thicken nicely. And now we're going to do another 30 seconds. And that's the curd ready. We're going to first of all add the salt. So I always like to balance off sweet things with a little bit of saltiness, just sort of balance off. That's why those flavours like salted caramel work so well. What we're going to do is we're not going to add all the butter at once. I'm going to go in there with all of that lemon zest. That's the rest of the lemon zest. So half at the beginning, half at the end. And then we're going to go in there with pieces of butter, but the butter doesn't want to be too large. A little piece of butter. I suppose if they were by gram, maybe like 20 gram pieces, but you know, two tablespoons maybe of butter at a time. Now, if you wanted to store this one for as long a time as possible, you're going to store it in an airtight container in a sterilised glass jar, and you need to pop it in that jar as soon as you've added the last bits of butter. That's it. Gorgeous. So you can see how quick and easy it is to make the custard. Really a lemon flavoured custard is all a lemon curd is, with lots of butter added at the end to help just with the setting and to also give it that beautiful silky smooth texture. Loads of options when it comes to lemon curd. You could have it sweet, you could have it savoury, and you can just eat it off the spoon like we do. Stores for up to 4 weeks in the refrigerator, up to 2 months maximum in an airtight sterilised container. Lots of things exciting coming up on the channel. Loads of exciting things coming up for Family Kitchen with Mark, and I'm going to announce those to you in the upcoming videos. Lots and lots of very exciting things. I will see you all in the next video. Thanks for watching. Lemon curd with yogurt and cream. It's a mess. Yeah, what do you think? Good? Ah, goody goody.